Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create a saxophone on Dress to Impress. It's actually pretty simple. There are two versions. What's wrong with me? Okay, so the first version is you don't need VIP. So select this trophy, and I'm just going to color it just this color. But we're all going to put it as a metallic texture. We're going to select the above head toggle. Then we are going to use this hot chocolate, and we're going to color it all the same, making sure we all toggle it to metallic material. So I suggest doing the materials first, or the colors first. Then select this cup, and again, I don't really know if you can toggle that, but I'm gonna just try. Okay, I don't think you can toggle that to metallic, but you know what, it's fine. Select the ice cream and then do that too. Okay. Then you're going to grab the phone. I forgot that it's here. And you're going to again color it the same and toggle it to the metallic one. Like so. And you can stop here. It does cover the face kind of a little bit, but if you go to the VIP section, you can add this harp, and again color it the same. It's just so that the fingers are moving. Color it all the same, and then for the pose, we are going to do the wave pose from emote. So it looks like she's playing the saxophone. That is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.